I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I just accepted a job as a roving substitute teacher in our local district. I remember how we treated subs when I was a student. It wasn't good. Do you have any advice for me? I think I'll need it. First of all, I want to thank you, from the bottom of my heart for being a substitute. We need them. We need you. We need you to be there when we can't be there. But here's the thing. You are so right. And I love your reflection on what you did when you had a substitute. And we all could reflect on that. As a matter of fact, it's making me kind of laugh right now because I'm thinking back on, we got a sub today. And it was just like, what are we going to get away with? And, teachers would always leave a note like, if I come back and X, Y, and Z, then you're going to be in trouble. But we still did it anyway, right? The best thing you can do really is just to know the kids' names. If you're going to be in the same classroom over and over, get to know the kids' names. Have conversations. Do not get into a power struggle. Do not think you're going to get through every single task that's in the subfolder. You may not, all right? Your job is to be there, make connections with kids, get some relationships so that when you show up again, those kids go, oh, Miss Polly's our sub today, and they will behave differently. Don't be the substitute that comes in and is just like, this is what you're going to do. I'm writing this down. I'm sending your name to the teacher. I remember, and you might remember too, so think back, we had a substitute when I was in high school. And, when you're in high school, you kind of do what you want to do when there's a sub, behind their back. But there was a gentleman that was a roving sub. And every time he came in, we became the most respectful, most wonderful group of kids you ever could have imagined. What he presented to us was what we really needed, a human being that was there for us when our teacher was out. Did we do all the work? No. Is a substitute in your position going to make kids do all the work? Probably not. But the connection he made with us was so powerful that we actually loved having him there when he was there. And so try to go in that direction versus thinking you're going to take over and be the teacher because you are the substitute, and that's good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.